Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to this 7-day chakra series where we will dive deep into the wonderful world of chakras. Now, have you ever wondered what chakras are and why everybody is so obsessed with them? I'm about to tell you why. Chakras are believed to be points in our body that influence our physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. We have 7 chakras: our root chakra, our sacral chakra, our solar plexus chakra, our heart chakra, our throat chakra, our third eye chakra, and finally, our crown chakra. Today, we will be exploring our root chakra. The root chakra, which is also called the Muladhara, is located at the base of our spine. It's usually represented by a 4-petal locust flower, and its color is red. This is the first of the 7 chakras, and this energy center connects us to the earth, which grounds us and provides stability. It influences our sense of security and safety. This chakra governs our basic survival needs, such as food, shelter, and our sense of security and safety. Remember that the root chakra is all about connection and stability. Taking care of it lays the groundwork for all of the other chakras. When our root chakra is balanced, we feel very secure and confident. However, when our root chakra is not balanced, we may experience fear, anxiety, or instability. If you feel that your chakra is imbalanced, here are some things that you can do to help bring it back into balance. Meditation and breath work is one of the most popular ways to balance your root chakra. Visualizing a red light at the base of your spine during meditation can really help to promote balance. Eating root vegetables like carrots and potatoes and beets can also help to support the root chakra. Grounding practices like walking barefoot in the grass, gardening, or practicing yoga can also help to balance this chakra. Using affirmations is probably one of the best ways to connect with your root chakra and to help balance it. This can be done during a meditation or honestly while you're doing anything where you're focusing on your root chakra. But today, we're going to focus on it while we're doing a meditation. So go ahead and find a nice comfortable seated position, or you can even be lying down. Just try to stay somewhat aware, meaning don't fall asleep, but also you can close your eyes or keep them open as you focus on your root chakra. And I will guide you through some affirmations with this sound bath. The bowl that I'm playing today is the root chakra bowl. It is the largest bowl that I have. And as you can see at the very bottom, it has the red 4-petal locust flower. And maybe you can even use this image here to visualize at the base of your spine as we say our affirmations. Finally, settling in. Close your eyes and connect to your breath. The rise and fall of your belly. Noticing any sensations that you may feel in your body. Repeat after me. I inhale trust and exhale fear. I inhale peace and exhale anything that no longer serves me. Like a tree, I am rooted firmly to the earth. I wake up every day feeling strong, energized, and empowered. As the sun rises, so does my energy. I am healthy and vibrant. My body is my home and always takes care of me. I feel safe and secure. I deeply appreciate my ability to remain calm in all situations. I am healthy, well, and strong. I am one with my true self. I feel secure about the timing of my life. I am always supported and protected. I am financially secure. I am grateful Understanding and working with the root chakra can significantly impact your emotional and physical health. This can provide a solid foundation for personal growth and spiritual development. If you have any specific areas you'd like to dive deeper into, feel free to let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Stay grounded and balanced, and I'll see you in the next video.